afternoon everyone. Sa mga teachers, sa mga students natin, sa mga parents students dito. So, nagpasalamat lang ako sa inyo for supporting na Israel Public School na project ko na Mayor Francis Zamora. So, nagpasalamat din na marami tayong mga pinagdaanan na tayong mga schedule, mga uniforms. We will make sure na we'll do better next year. Tapos po, regarding dito, next year po, i-invite na po natin kung kailan gagawin yung inter-public school natin para naman hindi nakakasabay sa ibang events ng mga schools po natin. So, magbabago po yan with the help of our STS. So, yun po, bakit ko na matagalin, si Mayor po pala, hindi ko na po siya makakatid, meron po silang family gathering. So, kailangan na po yung congratulations sa mga winning teams. Nasa po na mag-participate. So, start na po tayo, na-awarding po natin.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Ryan de la Cruz. And then, kasama din natin to award this afternoon ang ating mga tournament directors na si Jonathan Soyo and si Janet Tobis. Alright, good for you ado. Tawagin po natin ang ating awardee from Mythical 6 for Elementary Division. Mythical 6 for Elementary Volleyball Division. Yes. Alright, jersey number 1, our first mythical volleyball, John Caligado. John Caligado, Elementary Division. Johan Caligado. Ano school? Jersey John. San Juan Integrated. San Juan Integrated Teachers. Alam po, pwede mag-represent. And representative po. Ayan, si Ma'am Lay, palapakan natin. Para sa unang she will receive a trophy. Thank you so much, congratulations. And next, mythical, wearing jersey number 25, Maria Enchantress Granzo. What is school number? Maria Enchantress Granzo. And representative mo for Maria Granzo. That's mythical award wearing jersey number 14, France Claudia. That's mythical for Volleyball Elementary Division. Wearing jersey number 12, Sandra De La Cruz.
And congratulations po.
Sandra De La Cruz from Kabayanan, from Icanor C. Laguna.
Hey, congrats.
To complete the Mythical 6 Award, wearing jersey number 6, Sofia Fajardo.
Sofia Fajardo. From Icanorde.
From Icanorde. Ano pa pala so sorry. Okay, once again to complete Mythical 6 Award, wearing jersey number 7, Celine Carlos.
Celine Carlos from Pinagdabana Elementary School.
And to award our season MVP. Alright, may request po to our Mythical 6.
Sama-sama po na tayo dito para sa
Wala siya ng grandson. And representative po from for grandson and grandes. Anong school to, Bella? Maria and Grandes grandson. The grandson.
Ito, magmuna alis! Ay ating season MVP!
Alright, well, our season MVP. We're in jersey number 7. From Pinaglaban Elementary School, Celine Carlos.
Congratulations, Celine Carlos, our season MVP from Pinaglabanan.
And show us a trophy and a medal. Congratulations.
Congratulations, our
Alright, for our finals MVP. We're in jersey number 14. From Pinaglaban Elementary School, France, Clavicilia.
Wow!
Parang para sa kanya.
Pinagmanahan, like mother and daughter.
Para sa kanya.
Yes.
Congrats!
Alright, let's go on to our team award. Let's start our for elementary volleyball team award. Our second runner-up, none other than San Perfecto Elementary School.
Okay, San Perfecto, our second runner-up, tatanggap ng trophy plus how much?
10,000 pesos.
Any from San Perfecto?
San Perfecto Elementary School.
Si Ronald, yes, San Perfecto.
Teacher.
Teachers from San Perfecto?
Teachers from San Perfecto Elementary School.
Okay, dito wala. Ay, salamat pa rin.
And for our first runner-up of Team Award, first runner-up Elementary Division, congratulations, Nicanor Ibuna Elementary School.
Ikaw muna our first runner-up. Volleyball Elementary Inter-School. Tatanggap ng trophy plus
20,000 pesos.
okay, 20,000 pesos in prize.
Ayan, congratulations po Nicanor Ibuna Elementary School.
Okay, congratulations. Nicanor. Ayan, teacher nila, okay na yung teacher.
And for this year's champion,
And this year champion ay tatanggap ng trophy
medal plus 20,000 pesos in cash. Back-to-back champion, congratulations, Pinaglabanan Elementary School.
Congratulations, Pinaglabanan champion, Inter-Elementary Volleyball Division.
Congratulations!
Okay, tumanggap sila ng trophy, medal, and 30,000 cash.
Thumbs up! Let's go! Congratulations, our back-to-back champion! Pinaglabanan Elementary
Okay,
School
so once again, congratulations
sa ating elementary division na ating women's volleyball.
Well, let's go on to our ng Junior Division.
Junior Division, Medical 6.
Yes, sir. Medical 6, wearing jersey number 5, Thea Acuna.
Kaya Kuna.
Wow, congrats.
From Salapan Integrated School,
Any
Thea
teachers from Salaman?
Acuna.
Any teacher ba tayo from Salaman? Any
Friend na lang.
teammate? Pwede ka teammate. Sinabi niya. Yan ngayon ang ating mga sikat sa eskwelahan. Medical 6.
Let's go, thumbs up.
Now Medical 6 for Junior Volleyball, wearing jersey number 23, Jana Azul. From Science High School.
From Science High School. Congrats.
Another Medical 6 award, wearing jersey number 2, from San Juan National High School, Daniela Garcia.
Daniel Garcia. Ayun. Ate, dito lang, dito lang. Ate, Medical 6. Dito lang kayo.
Another Medical 6 award, wearing jersey number 11, from San Juan National High School, Nidia Alipio.
Alam niya. Congratulations to you, Alivio. Pang-apat na Medical 6.
Congratulations.
Junior Division Indoor School.
Another Medical 6 award, wearing jersey number 10, from Cagayan Elementary School, Shara Pedragosa.
Jeddah, Pedragosa.
Ate.
Ayan, congrats.
And to complete our Medical 6 award, from Cagayan Elementary School, wearing jersey number 15, Marcel Osuna.
Okay, our 6 and last Medical 6 from Kabayanan Integrated. Okay, bakit tayo dito?
All Medical 6, total opportunity po.
Ito, doon tayo para sa photos.
Ayan, malakpakan natin ang ating Medical 6 for Junior Volleyball Division.
Hey, congrats. Ayan, no? Medical 6.
At syempre, pipili tayo ng season MVP.
And for our season MVP award, wearing jersey number 2,
Ano yung school? Ano yung school ba yan? Ano yung school? Ano yung school?
San Juan National High School, Daniela Garcia.
Garcia, our season MVP.
Alright, our season MVP. Wow. Congratulations. Garcia Daniela.
Baka meron pang isa yan?
And for our finals MVP, from San Juan National High School, jersey number 7, Vanilla Christian. Congratulations to all our final MVP, Trishan Panilio.
Panlilio. Congrats po.
And now let's award number team award for juniors division. Our second runner-up.
Our second runner-up.
Will receive the trophy and 10,000 pesos. Congratulations to One City Science High School.
Yan,
Support
congratulations.
City Science High School, our second runner-up.
Congrats.
School Junior Division Volleyball. Sarodi, wala ba Sarodi? Ayun, may Sarodi yan. Saan ka?
And for our first runner-up, we'll receive a trophy and 20,000 pesos in cash. Congratulations, first runner-up, Kabayanan Integrated School.
Yan, Kabayanan Integrated School, our second runner-up. Congrats.
Okay, we will now acknowledge the presence ng mga principal natin. Si Sir Pino ng TVL, Sir Kamayra ng San Juan National High School, Sir Alan ng Academic, at syempre si Kap Kabulas na dito para sumuporta sa atin. Welcome po.
And for this year's champion, Juniors Volleyball. Congratulations, San Juan National High School.
Okay, our champions, San Juan National School Junior Division.
They will receive a trophy, medals, and 30,000 pesos. Once again, our Junior Volleyball Division champion, San Juan National High School.
Okay, we also will like to acknowledge a principal from Nicanor Laguna, Ma'am Malinoy. Welcome po, welcome po.
Thumbs up, let's go.
Okay, congratulations sa mga national. Maagang pamasko. Okay, susunod natin para sa ating huling bibigyan, Senior Division Volleyball.
Alright, let's follow our mythical 6 Senior Division Volleyball. That's our wearing jersey number 1 from San Juan Science High School, Sylvia Malcolm.
Wow.
Okay, from San Juan Science.
Nokum.
Parang wala ka daw siya.
Hindi siya prepared.
Nabanan ka, nabanan.
Congratulations, Sophia Nakama, our mythical 6 awardee.
Congratulations.
Another mythical 6 from San Juan Acas, wearing jersey number 5, Catherine Blanca.
Okay, mga kakas.
Another mythical. Another mythical 6 award wearing jersey number 42 from TVL, Duran Isoche.
Congratulations! Uy! Can you jump it? Wow! Back to back? Oh, tripping. Balik ko lang to ah. Tumuksin sa camera sa office.
Another mythical 6 award from San Juan National High School, wearing jersey number 11, Jasmine Mariano.
Jasmine Mariano from San Juan National High School. Ayun.
Alright, to complete the mythical 6 for junior division, another from San Juan National High School, wearing jersey number 12, Charmaine Mariano. Ayan ang kambal. Kaya nakapis ako sa pangalan kanina. And for our season's MVP, from CVL, jersey number 12, Eliza Manalo.
Liza Manalo, our sister.
Wow, congrats!
Congrats.
Ba't naka-online ka? Check mo na muna ako.
Final MVP.
And for our finals MVP, another for TVL, wearing jersey number 42, Clark Isol J.
Wala siyang alam ah.
Congrats!
Ayan, what opportunity po ang Mythical 6 awardee? For Mythical 6 awardee po. Ayan, palakpakan po natin ang ating Mythical 6 for Junior Volleyball. A senior, rather.
Congrats! Ah, kambal? Kaya pala. Ayos ah.
Okay, once again, we would like to congratulate our Mythical 6.
Seniors.
Ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa Team Award.
Our team awards for second runner-up, San Juan City Academic High School.
Right. Okay.
You're receiving a trophy and a 10,000 pesos.
Congratulations!
Okay, congratulations, Agats, for our second runner-up Women's Junior Division.
Para naman sa ating first runner-up,
Omar,
sila ay tatanggap ng 20,000 pesos. Congratulations, first runner-up for this year, San National High School.
Congratulations, ours back-to-back champion, ang San Juan City TVL para sa ating seniors
And now
division.
let's proceed to our basketball awards.
Okay, basketball na tayo. Elementary basketball.
Asa na ang basketball dito?
Ayan na.
Let's go on our medical 6 and medical 5 for elementary division. Let's start from San Juan Integrated School. Jersey number 7, Liza Guerrero.
Agel Galveo from San Juan Integrated. Our first
Galveo.
Medical 6 Elementary Division Basketball.
Congratulations.
Another medical 5 award from San Juan Integrated School. Jersey number 24, Cristo Cabrera.
Congrats.
From San Juan Integrated School,
Cabrera.
our second Medical 6.
Medical 5. Another warning from Medical 5 from Pinaglaban Elementary School. Choice number 18, Alex Ortiz.
Whoa!
Alex Ortiz from Pinaglaban Elementary School.
Hey, congrats. Ortiz. Ayan eh. Sa mga young gun natin yan.
Another Medical 5 awardee from West Graham Elementary School. Wearing jersey number 1, Samuel Negrito.
Ayun, si Negrito.
Negrito. Congrats. Ayan ah. Shoutout sa pamilya Negrito family. Ayan eh. Kailang kagawa dyan eh. From West Grame Elementary School.
Alright, to complete our Medical 5 award from San Juan Integrated School.
Ayan na.
Wearing jersey number 30, John Matthew Espinosa.
Oy, lastimoso.
Hansi Kanta. Sarap na.
Congratulations. Guys. Sir. Ayan, congratulations. Lastimoso. Our Critical 5 sa ating elementary division.
Medical 5, doon muna tayo. Salita muna. Doon tayo, medical.
Eh, sige sir, gitaw sir.
Yung total for our Medical 5 awards sa elementary division.
Congratulations, Medical 5 sa ating elementary division.
Okay, huwag ka alis. Nasa inyo ang ating season MVP!
Uy!
Nonetheless, our division MVP, Alex Ortiz. Jersey number 18.
Our season MVP!
Wow! Season MVP, Ortiz! Congratulations! Ayan.
Pakingatan po natin ang mga wire na nasa paligid po natin. Ayan, to avoid our technical difficulties, maraming salamat. And to award our finals MVP from San Juan Integrated School. Jersey number 7, Nigel Portobello.
Congratulations! Our finals MVP! Ayan, congratulations.
Our final MVP. Kaya pupunta na tayo sa ating team award.
Let's announce our team award. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, you will receive 10,000 pesos and a trophy. Sullivan Integrated School.
Our second runner-up sa Laban Integrated School. Tatanggap ng trophy, plus 10,000 pesos.
Hey, congrats! Salapan Integrated School.
And to our second runner-up, who receive a trophy and a 20,000 pesos. Congratulations, our first runner-up, Pinaglaban Elementary School.
Elementary School Basketball, headed by Coach and Sir Nago.
Ito, San Juan. Oy, you know, congratulations, our first runner-up. Elementary School. Oh, congrats.
Sir Nago, dito tayo. Sir Nago. At syempre, ang ating champion ng elementary basketball na tatanggap ng trophy plus 30,000 pesos.
This year's champion, Elementary Division. Congratulations, San Juan Integrated School.
Congrats!
Okay,
Are the champion, my friend.
Congratulations sa iyo.
Congratulations, mga idol!
Sa pamumuno ng kanilang puro coach, mga player.
Once again, congratulations on this year's champion, San Juan Integrated School, Elementary Division. You will receive and 30,000 pesos.
Ayan, congratulations! San Juan Integrated School for our new champion para sa Elementary Division. Ayan, congrats! Congrats po! Let's go! You know? Alright!
Wow!
And still undefeated!
Thank you so much.
Grabe yun!
Kaya ma'am, dito tayo sa kaliwa.
Ayan, yan ang ating Elementary Division.
Alright,
Congrats!
let's move on to our junior mythical 5 awards. Starting from San Juan Science, jersey number 3, Dave Maribete.
Wow!
Mami Bete from San Juan Science. Siyempre, score din ng ating teacher. Teacher Ronnie.
Congrats!
Another mythical 5 award from Cabayanan Integrated School. Wearing jersey number 25, Kyle Volante.
Yan, si Valente.
Kyle Volante, or KD Volante. Congrats! You know. Congrats!
Another mythical 5 award, wearing jersey number 12, from San Juan Integrated, Bill Ramos Sato.
Ayan. Laki oh.
Oh, you know. Grabe yun. Mythical 5. Congrats!
Okay, congrats.
Up next, mythical 5 from San Juan National High School. Wearing jersey number 18, Michael Santiago.
Michael Santiago from San Juan National High School. Ikaapat natin sa mythical yan.
Ayan.
Ay, wala mo na maglalaro. Wala mo na, wala. Kukunin namin yung bola. Hindi namin sulit.
And to complete our mythical 5 awardees for Junior Division from San Juan National High School, Vian Riero Tique.
Radio Tigre from San Juan National High School.
You know? Let's go, Bien.
And for our season MVP, we'll get him Wednesday. Congratulations, Vian Riero Tique.
Congrats, Idol. You know? Ian Rio Tige. Our season MVP.
For our Vandals MVP Junior Division from San Juan National High School, Michael Santiago.
Michael Santiago naman. Ang ating finals. MVP grabe.
Okay.
And for the opportunity mo to all mythical 5 and MVPs.
Sige, punta muna tayo sa gitna. Ang mga sikat sa campus. Pagpatuloy niyo lang ang galing niya sa basketball. At sa
Congratulations, our Mythic 5 para sa ating Juniors Division.
Alright, let's move on to our team awards for Junior Division.
Congrats.
Our second runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos and a trophy. Congratulations, Cagayan Integrated School.
Kabayana Integrated School, our second runner-up, Junior Division.
Sila rin talaga ng 10,000 pesos and a trophy.
Congratulations, Kabayana Integrated School.
And to our first runner-up, they will receive 20,000 pesos, 900 San Juan Integrated School.
Okay, congratulations, San Juan Integrated School, our second runner-up. Junior basketball. Okay, pwede umupo yung iba? Pwede umupo.
Balance, balance, tol. Libat sa kabila. Alright, our first runner-up for ating second place, ang San Juan Integrated School.
Okay, thank you very much.
Congrats.
Sir, punta kayo doon.
And for our this year's champions, Junior Division. Congratulations, San Juan National High School.
Okay, San Juan National High School. Junior Division Champion, Basketball. Sige, punta ka sa kanya.
We are the
Siyempre, kailan naman si Sir
Sila ay
Kamay.
tatanggap ng trophy, medals, and of course, our 30,000 pesos. Once again, congratulations, our champion for Junior Basketball Division, San Juan National High School.
O si Sir Principal na ay nabigyan sa kita. O, kuha ka lahat, kuha.
Alright, our back-to-back champion, the San Juan National High School. Congratulations. Hey, congrats, champion!
Okay, once again, congratulations to San Juan National High School, our champion in their division, basketball.
Let's moving on to
Okay.
seniors division.
Our last and final para sa ating mythical five para sa inter-school basketball senior from San Juan Science, number 18, Ramon Estrella.
Australia from San Juan Science.
Our second from Mitigals, five from Akats. Jersey number 4, Wete. Akat.
Ayan, si Wete from Angat. Congratulations, our mythical five. Wete.
And our third from Mitigals, 5 from San Juan National High School, Jersey, number 7, Ronaldo.
Yan, congratulations sa mga nagpamalas yan para sa season na ito. Si Floralde. Congrats, idol.
Next, our fourth from TVL, wearing jersey number 2, Maximal. Maximal.
Yan, si Bal, ang ating mythical five.
Let's complete our mythical fan award.
From TVL, jersey number 14, Drew Morante.
Hey, Morente. Congratulations.
Sa race, huwag ka natin yan sa race. And our season MVP, bottoms muna. Ating
Medical award, medical award,
para sa ating seniors division. Ayan. Congrats!
Okay. Our season MVP from TVL, jersey number 2, Max.
Oy! Congratulations, Sibal. Our season MVP. Congratulations.
Siyempre, ang ating finals MVP, jersey number 14, Drew Morante.
Morante. Our finals MVP. Congratulations.
finals MVP.
Yes, Morante.
Okay, congratulations. And pupunta na tayo sa ating team award. Our second runner-up senior division basketball, San Juan Atlas.
Okay, saan ka na ako?
Congratulations on our second runner-up.
Basketball
San
team.
Juan Academic Senior High School. They will receive 10,000 pesos in cash and a trophy.
And congratulations to our San Juan City Acads for a third place. Ng ating seniors division. Congratulations, Acads.
And our first runner-up,
Congrats, sir.
San Juan National High School Senior.
San Juan National High School.
Congratulations on our first runner-up. San Juan National High School.
Sila tatanggap ng trophy plus 20,000 in cash.
Wow, 20,000 in cash. Ayan, congratulations, San Juan National High School. Our seniors division first runner-up or second place.
Okay, para sa ating last award, and our champions,
Yeah!
Division
Congrats!
TVL.
Yay!
Congratulations on our senior basketball division champions.
Sa champion!
Congratulations, San Juan TVL! Sila ay tatanggap ng trophy, medals, and a 30,000 pesos. Once again, congratulations, senior basketball champion, TVL!
Ayan, congratulations to our champion ng seniors division ng TBL.
Nandito ang our Regional 6 Award. Miss Entrantes, nandiyan ka na ba? Maria Entrantes Granzo, where are you? Ito na si Entrantes.
Ito yung isa ng kulang sa Medical Skills.
Gags, Gags. Congratulations! Ayan, nauli. Ating Mythical 6.
Yeah, congratulations on our Mythical 6. Maria and Francis, grandson. Panahon mo na sa live.
Tapos ang ating Liga
Yun!
Interpublic School
Maraming pong salamat.
sa bumubuo ng San Juan City Sports at Development.
And yung representative po for second runner-up ng elementary volleyball, San Perfecto Elementary School. Please claim your prize po. San Perfecto Elementary School volleyball. Wala silang picture. Ayan, for our second runner-up volleyball elementary division, you will claim your prize po at San Juan City Treasury Office.
At volleyball ng Pilipinas, ang kanito na natin Pilipinas Francis Zamora, ang San Juan Interpublic School Tournament. Maraming salamat po.
Idol, kamusta kayo mga idol?
Sa San Juan Sports Office.
Sir, kita mo ka. Sir, okay lang yun, sir. Nagaling ko, sir.
Alright, that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo for our next live next season. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat and congratulations to all the winners. Ayan, volleyball, basketball, elementary, juniors, and senior high. Congrats! Congrats! Muli, maraming salamat Mayor Francis Zamora, Congresswoman Attorney Bel Zamora, Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Gawili, and our City Council. Hanggang sa muli, at magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Maraming pong salamat.